From the depths of tropical forests to the banks of hidden rivers live creatures that dazzle the mind with their beauty and extraordinary adaptability. Join us today on an amazing journey to discover three of the world's most amazing species. We'll start with the Honduran white bat, which hides in the folds of banana leaves with its pure beauty, then follow in the footsteps of the neon blue crab that captivates the eyes of the forests of West Africa. Finally, we discover the secrets of the Chinese box turtle, a creature with a history dating back millions of years. Prepare to dive into an unforgettable world of natural wonders. The Honduran white bat has bright white fur that distinguishes it from most other bats, which are often dark in color. Size? It is a very small bat, as its body length ranges from only 3.7 to 4.7 centimeters, and it weighs about 5 to 6 grams. This bat lives primarily in humid rainforest areas in Central America, especially in Honduras, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and Panama. The Honduran white bat is active at night and feeds mainly on fruits, especially figs. This bat is known for its ability to turn tree leaves into nests by cutting the leaves in such a way that they hang down and form a tent that provides protection and camouflage. Accurate information is not available on the reproductive patterns of this bat, but it is believed that females give birth to one young at a time. The Honduran white bat is classified as having a low risk of extinction, but is threatened by habitat loss and tropical forest degradation. This bat attracts the attention of many due to its rare white collar and complex nest-building behavior, and is considered a good example of adaptation and evolution in natura. Neon crab, or fluorescent blue crab, no specific scientific classification by this name, may refer to Cytosoma amatum, also known as the bright blue crab or fluorescent land crab. Here is some information about this type. This type of crab has a bright light blue color and can be very saturated at times, giving it a neon appearance. It can measure up to about 15 centimeters in width, with legs that may extend to greater lengths. It lives mainly in coastal areas and wetlands of West Africa. It tends to live in underground burrows that it digs itself and is mainly active at night. It feeds on plants, leaves, fruits, and sometimes small animals. Usually mates during monsoon rains. Females lay eggs on the banks of rivers where the eggs hatch after the water flows. Like many coastal species, these crabs face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing in some areas. The Chinese pond turtle, Moramis rivesi, which is one of the endangered species of great conservation importance. The color of the shell is brown with some dark lines that appear less clearly as the turtle ages. The cochlea is relatively rectangular in shape and slightly flattened. The head is small compared to the body, and it has strong limbs equipped for digging and swimming. The Chinese pond turtle is omnivorous when young, feeding mainly on fish, worms, and aquatic insects. As they grow older, their diet becomes more varied, to include a greater amount of aquatic plants and fruits. The Chinese pond turtle prefers shallow waters and is often found spending time on land basking in the sun, a behaviour vital for regulating its body temperature and for obtaining vitamin D, which is essential for the health of its shell. Breeding season begins in spring. Males display complex behaviours to attract females and may compete with other males for an opportunity. The female digs a hole in the ground to lay eggs, and the number of eggs each time can range from 4 to 15 eggs, and the incubation period takes about 60 to 90 days. The Chinese pond turtle is classified as an endangered species due to habitat loss and poaching. Governmental and international measures to protect them are essential to ensure their survival. This turtle is a vivid example of the challenges facing wildlife in areas affected by human expansion and industrial activity. The Dumbo octopus, Grimpoteuthis, is a species of strange deep-sea octopus that lives in the depths of oceans around the world. This octopus is known for its large ears that resemble those of Dumbo the elephant, the Disney cartoon character, giving the octopus its common name. Here is some detailed information about the Dumbo octopus. Physical description: fins, It has large fins located on either side of its head, which it uses to move around in the water. These fins resemble elephant ears and help them swim more efficiently. Body. The Dumbo octopus's body is soft and flexible, allowing it to change shape and move easily through water and narrow gaps. Color. Its color can change to match its environment, which helps it camouflage and protect against predators. The behavior. Nutrition. It feeds on small invertebrates, worms, and other organic matter that it finds on the ocean floor. Movement. It uses its fins to move gracefully and elegantly in the water and is often observed floating or swimming slowly. Home. The Dumbo octopus lives in the depths of the ocean, usually 3,000 to 4,000 meters below sea level. It can be found in oceans all over the world. Reproduction. Information about the reproduction of the Dumbo octopus is limited due to the difficulty of observing it in its natural deep habitat. Challenges and threats. Since it lives at such depths, it is not directly exposed to many human activities. However, changes in the oceans, such as climate change and pollution, may affect its environment. The Dumbo octopus is an excellent example of how organisms adapt to challenging conditions in the deep depths of the ocean and remains a subject of study among scientists interested in marine ecology and bathymetric biology.